Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are enjoying these Pongal holidays. Do you know about Pongal? Pongal is a Tamil word. It means overflow. This festival signifies good wishes, wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Pongal festival is celebrated for 4 days. The 4 days of Pongal festival are known as Bohi, Surya, Mattu, and Kanam. Now we enjoy these 4 days of Pongal festival with the sugarcane and Pongal. Okay children, we will continue with our chapters. Okay children, today we will continue the chapter 3, more on Mac OS X Lion. Today we will discuss the topic Launchpad, working with the desktop spaces, changing settings your computer and account. Okay children, let us start with first topic Launchpad. Launchpad display all the apps installed in our computer. They are arranged in one or more pages. We can switch to different pages by using arrow key or by clicking and dragging to left or right or by sweeping gestures on trackpad. First we will see how to reorganize the Launchpad. For that, first you have to click the Launchpad icon in the dock. Otherwise, we can use thumb and 3-finger pinch on trackpad. We can see various apps icon in our computer. Click and drag it to rearrange the order. Okay children, now we will see how to create folder in Launchpad. For that, click and drag an icon directly into another icon. The two icons will be placed into a new folder. Once a folder has been created, we can drag more apps into this folder. Did you get me? How to create a new folder? Just click and drag one icon to another icon. That time automatically the folder is creating. Okay children, now we will see how to remove folder in Launchpad. For that, click on the folder. Then click the apps and drag it out of the folder area. Once the folder is empty, the folder is automatically disappear. That way we can remove the folder in Launchpad. Okay children, now we will see how to switch to window with mission control. First we will see what is mission control. Mission control is used to view all opened apps and documents. Then what is switch to a window? Switch means move to one window to another. How to do this? For this, first you have to click the mission control icon in the dock. Otherwise, upward 3-finger swap in trackpad. Otherwise, 2-finger double tap in magic mouse. Did you get me? Just click on the mission control in the dock. Otherwise, you have trackpad, you have to click upward 3-finger swap. If you have magic mouse, you have to use 2-finger double tap. Then mission control will open. Now we can see which of the files our app opened. At the same time, we can see the desktop spaces in the top of the screen. Now you have click on the window. That time the window is switched to another window. Did you get me? Okay children, now we will move to the next topic, working with the desktop spaces. First we will see how to create a new desktop spaces. For that, you have to move the mouse in top right corner of the screen. That time a tab with a plus sign will appear. We have to click the tab. That time new desktop space is created. We can create up to 16 desktop spaces. Okay children, now we will see how to delete a desktop. For that, move the mouse pointer over the desktop space. That time, the close button will appear in the corner. Click the close button. That time, the desktop space will be deleted. Okay children, now we will see how to switch to different desktop spaces. That means how to move from one desktop to another. There are different methods to move to one desktop to another. First one is you have to select the desired desktop at the top of the screen. That time the selected desktop will be appear. Otherwise we have to hold down the control key, then use the left or right arrow keys. That time also we can switch to different desktop spaces. If you have magic trackpad, otherwise laptop with a trackpad, we can use 3-finger swap, left or right. That time we can get we can change the desktop spaces. If we have magic mouse, then we can use 2-finger swap, left or right. That time also we can change it to different desktop spaces. Okay children, now we will move to change the desktop background. For that, first you have to click the desktop space. Then right click on the desktop. Select the change desktop background button. Then select the desired image. That time desktop image will be changed. Okay children, now we will see how to change our computer settings. If you want to change any settings in Mac OS X Lion operating system, we have to use the system preference window. Now we will see how to open the system preference window. Just click the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then select the system preference. The time system preference window will appear. Then select the desired category and make changes settings. Okay. Then we can also use the Docker Launchpad to open a system preference. Just click on the button in these windows. Okay. Okay children, let us move to last topic, creating additional account. For that, if multiple people will be using same computer, then we should create an account for each one. Then the computer will be personalized. There are 3 different types of accounts there: administrative account, standard account and managed account. Now we will see about these accounts. First account is administrative account. It is a special account that is used for making changes to system settings. It have the full access to every settings of our computer. Each and every computer have at least one administrative account. Next account is standard account. This account is a basic account. It is used to perform our everyday task such as running software or personalizing our desktop, etc. Okay children, next account is managed with parental control. Managed account only have the parental control. These settings we can change using the system preference. We can set the website restriction, time limit and more. These are controlled by this managed account. We can also convert the standard account into managed account by using the parental control. Okay children, now we will see how to create a new account. For that, we have to open the system preference window. Then select users and group. Then click the lock icon in the lower left corner of the window. It will be either opened or closed. If it is closed, just click the icon and click unlock. Then click the button with the plus sign. Now you have to choose the account type. Already we studied account type, 3 type. Select the required account. Then next window you have to type the full name and password for new account. In verify field, once again you have to type the same password. If you need password hint, then you can type the password hint there. Then click the create user. The account will be created. If you need account picture, then select the button account picture, then select the different pictures. The time new account will be created. Okay children, now we will see last section of this chapter. To switch to a different account, for that you have to click the Apple icon and select logout. That time we can see the various account icons. Select required account icon. Then type the password. Account password, then press enter key. That time that account will be opened. Okay children, in this video we discussed the topic Launchpad, how to change our settings, working with the desktop spaces and creating additional accounts. Okay, thank you dear children.